What we done, Daisy?
Today we're gonna make a cherry dump cake.
I thought we was eating peach cobbler.
Well, you wouldn't tell me which one that you want, Papa, so I went with cherries.
Okay.
Because I know you love cherries.
I love me some cherries. So what kind of cherries we got here?
I
We
bought
have us
some Mother's Made. I bought these at Dollar Tree.
look at that. Cheap.
And-
$1.25 a can.
Yeah, look.
That's all it takes. Great.
Let's taste it. Very sweet.
Good.
Just as good as Comstock. And then I have a traditional golden butter cake that I bought there as well. I'm gonna open that up, get that ready.
So you can shop at Dollar Tree just the same as you can Walmart or any of the other big name stores.
Kroger, Publix.
Just because, I mean, when times are a little tight, I mean, don't be afraid to shop cheap and keep cooking.
That's right. That's right.
As
Keep
long as,
cooking.
at the end of the day, as long as it's made with love, it'll be delicious.
That's it. 100%.
Yeah.
So the good thing is
So we got more butter.
we have more butter.
Gotta have butter.
Now the thing is you can use margarine if you like margarine, or butter sometimes is a little costly. So we'll just cut this up as good as we can.
At the end of the day, you cook with what you have, what you can afford.
right.
I mean, but don't let it get you down. Just cook. Enjoy. If you enjoy doing something, do it.
And if your family enjoys it,
Yes.
I guess that's why I love to cook, because I know that it's just a way that I can show my love to my family. So,
And so we're all bundled up. It's cold in Tennessee. So
it sure is. It's very cold. And we're not spring chickens anymore, so
speak for yourself, Gigi.
I'm not.
I ain't know.
I'm one of those old hens up in the barn.
Warm barn.
That's right, a warm barn. Okay, so we have our pile of butter. Have our
That's a
cake
whole
mix.
stick of butter, right?
Yes, a whole stick of butter. So now, I'm going to get my pan out. Find that. Let me do it in my dishes. Where's my blue pan, Paul? What do we do with it? Oh boy. The joy of moving, kids. It says, hang on, it says we use this one. Let's try this one. We'll use the big one. There we go.
There we go. We'll use this big glass.
Use the big glass one and pray. Guess we better use this guy. No, use this one. And what you don't do is when
We ain't even going to tell them.
we're not going to get there.
No, we're not going to tell them what you don't do because
That's for another day.
we don't
guys.
like being wasteful, and whenever things
No.
don't turn out the way they're supposed to, it's still made with love, but it just didn't turn out how it's supposed to.
No,
So
the flavor was good. but-
we're going to have to feed the animals outside.
Okay, so we have our two cans
Cans of cherries.
of cherries.
Spread
There's a
nice
lot
and
of
even.
cherries.
Spread nice and evenly.
You want cherries in every bite,
Absolutely.
because that's what makes it even better. And now we're going to take our cake mix, and we're just going to sprinkle dink.
We use the whole box.
Yes, sir. Whole box. Okay, shake, shake, shake. And just try to get it as even as you can. It's not.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
That's why it's called
not
dump cake.
Absolutely. We're going to dump it.
We're just gonna dump it. Let's get it out of here. Oh, there's more left in my box. Why did I use the bigger pan? There we go. There you go. It's called the dump.
She dumped it right in there.
That's taken care of. I'm gonna take my hands and
Level it off.
level her off. Do, 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 do.
That means our oven is ready. It's
Ready.
preheated to 350 for the dump cake.
Yes, sir.
So you can preheat your oven
Just
while you're preparing. Very simple dessert here.
so simple.
And it's delicious and
so
it'll go a
good.
long way. Your family will love it.
And this is good that you could make on a Monday evening. You make it any night of the week, but what's nice is that this will last for a few days. And it's
And it'll feed quite a few people.
sure will. If you have a Christmas party to go to
Absolutely.
or host, and the fun thing is that you can make blueberry, strawberry, just any
Peach, any
apple,
of it, honestly.
any,
Yeah. So whatever your heart desires,
That's right. If you like blueberry or
Yeah.
any of them.
strawberry, cherry.
I'm allergic to strawberries, so
Yeah, we don't have strawberries in our home,
we stay away from those for.
unfortunately, because we know they are delicious.
Okay, now something that I do, and not everyone does this, but I'm going to get some sugar and some cinnamon and again, I can't follow a recipe.
And we hope everyone's having an awesome day.
Yes.
Great beginning of the week.
Yes.
Had an awesome weekend
Yep.
with their loved ones.
Absolutely.
We just wanted to share a quick video
Yeah.
because we're gonna have us some dessert this evening.
Sure are. And then we'll have it in the fridge and maybe the grandkids will come by.
And we should have done a video earlier. We made us some sloppy joes and some
Oh, French fries.
French fries, just some good comfort food. Southern
Really
comfort
yummy.
food, yeah. Can't believe we
Because it's
didn't.
cold and
Can't believe we didn't video that.
I know. I'm
She
kinda
made some
hungry.
sugar. She put some sugar in a bowl with some cinnamon.
Yep, that's it.
She's just gonna put it on top.
I know that cinnamon probably doesn't go really great with cherries, but it just kind of gives it just extra little spice to it, or sweetness to it, I guess what I'm trying to say. And then when it cooks, you'll have this little sweet little crust to it. Just kind of sprinkle it around. And I didn't measure the sugar or the cinnamon. Just put kind of what you think that you like. If you want more cinnamon, make it darker.
If you don't
And
want any
also-
cinnamon, don't use
And
cinnamon.
also, let me give you a little tip. When you're mixing sugar and cinnamon, do not use a melamine or a plastic bowl like I'm doing. Use a glass because look, you see how the cinnamon, it doesn't all combine into the sugar. Now, when you use a glass bowl or a glass container, it does not do that.
It all sticks together.
It all
It all come out.
yeah, it all mixes together. So, I just grabbed something quick. So, yep,
Well,
there we go. That's it. We'll throw her in the oven.
so how long does it stay in the oven, G?
I don't know, about 20 minutes, 20, 30 minutes.
Okay. So, within 30 minutes time, you'll have your dessert ready. And your family will love it. And enjoy it.
Absolutely. And if you like, you can get some ice cream. You can serve it hot. You can serve it cold. You can get up at midnight and get you a nice little bite.
Yeah.
Or it's there when you have family, friends stop by and have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea and have a little dessert.
Absolutely.
Hope y'all have a great evening.
We thank each and every one of you. Stay blessed.
Absolutely.
All right, this is the finished product. What is it, Gigi?
We have cherry dump cake. And it was in the oven about 30 minutes. And it smells delicious. It's warmed up the house. And we just went and bought some vanilla bean ice cream.
Yes.
And we're going to call it dessert. It's very warm.
It's very
I
easy.
mean, very easy.
Very easy,
Super.
very delicious.
You can make it with the kids.
Kids, grandchildren will love it. Children love it. Family love it. You'll love it.
Look.
Because most of all, it's made with love.
Absolutely. Look how gooey and rich that is. Delicious.
With some ice cream. I will show you a bowl of it again.
Okay, let's serve it up. Oh, it's warm.
Look at her steaming.
Oh, so good. You have almost like a cookie cake type consistency. You got the cherries and a little bit of cinnamon. And more than that,
Sure.
Papa? Is that good to start?
That ought to be plenty, G.
Okay. Get me a little bit
We
over
went and
here.
got us a half a gallon of Turkey Hill vanilla bean.
It's delicious.
It's some good ice cream to go with our delicious dessert. Just what the doctor ordered on a nice, cool evening.
Absolutely. A cool Monday evening.
Night. Yep, cool Monday night. About, well, no 7 o'clock probably. But
Let's go ahead and
get
serve
us
it
a
up.
few scoops of that. And,
There you go.
yep. It's just pretty simple. It's a pretty easy dessert.
This is what you
That
call
will have 5 or 6, 7, 8, 10 helpings. I mean, it'd be
what
great
you
for
call
a
made
family.
with love.
Made with love right there. It's just
Made with
that
love
easy.
and warm for your belly.
It's just that easy.
Delish.
Well, we're going to enjoy our dessert.
We hope that y'all are having a great evening. Have a wonderful day tomorrow and be blessed. Thank you.
That's it. Stay blessed, not stressed. Thanks, y'all.